Hey guys, Scott here for guitar lessons on YouTube. I'm just doing a quick, simple video today on the Rolling Stones song called Dead Flowers. It's a really simple song. It's just a D, A, G, D. And so we got the D chord, open D, A, so the verse goes kind of like this. So the strumming pattern, we kind of want to hit the strings but muted to start. So kind of a mute, mute, down, up. Do that again. Okay, and then the next part is going to be A to D, the Take Me Down part. Take me down, little Susie, take me down. A, D, D. A, D, D. Right into the G. Send me dead flowers to the D. G, 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 D. G, 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 D. A, G, D. Okay, let's do that part real quick all the way through. Pretty easy. If you want to get a little bit more into it, just keep working on that strumming pattern. Okay, and you can also get into that D major pentatonic scale. thanks for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon down below. It's a huge help. We appreciate your support. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.